Hello, beautiful people. It's Vicky. I'm back with another video. Thanks to you guys that are new here, and thanks for the dedication of those that have been watching. If you are new, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance. So today we're going to be doing a DIY easy tutorial on changing the fabric on a stool. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've already purchased the material that I'm going to use to change the stool with. First thing to do, I'm going to take out all the screws, as you can see here. I have a drill, but I just decided to do it manually with my screwdriver. You can do whatever you like to do when taking your screws out. I then had to take the staples out of the fabric, and as you can see, I used my screwdriver again here. I couldn't find my bag with all of my equipment in, but I improvised, so it worked. So guys, as you can see, I'm still using my screwdriver here. I was in the middle of moving, I was packing, and again, I couldn't find my stuff, and I was determined to get this video done and loaded for you guys. So as you can see here, I have taken all of the old fabric off. I used the same cushion that I had before because it hadn't been up here very long. I am now placing the material so that it is lining up properly on the fabric. So you want to make sure that you're doing that, because if not, it's going to be off-centered and look very different. So it's very important to make sure when you have a fabric that has patterns on it, to make sure that you center your pattern. So here I'm beginning to prepare my fabric to start stapling it. And I learned a great technique from Mimi Grimes. She has a group, Sit, Sip, and Craft. You should go over and join her group. But anyway, she stated about stapling your fabric on each side when you first start. And so I've done this. I did each corner, not corner, but each side before I actually started, and then switch each time. And so this has helped me tremendously. So if you're going to be doing this project, try it and let me know what you think. It absolutely helped me. As you can see here, I'm continuing to staple down my sides. Your corners, you want to kind of make them like a gift, almost like you're wrapping a present. And continue to make sure you pull it and make sure it's tight and even and as flat as you can get it. So as you can see, I'm doing my last corner. As I told you before, when you get started, make sure you do your 4 sides and then go to your corners. And then I'm going to move on to in between on the sides. Stay tuned, still a little more to do. So I'm just about finished here, just going back and finishing up that last corner, and I'm going to be trimming the extra fabric that I have. I'd rather have too much fabric pulled over than not enough. So we're just about done. So I'm finally done with cutting the fabric back, and now I am going to be adding my frame back to my bench. On this picture, I forgot to put my white fabric protector on the bottom, the felt. It's okay, I realized it and went back and added it later. And I'm just about finished here. I'm putting the frame on again, as I stated before, and adding my screws, and yeah, just like that, we are done with another DIY project. You can use this at the base of a mirror or coming into your home. You can use it as a footrest. So it has many uses, and I think the fabric came out really nice. And again, do what you'd like to do in your home. It's your home. I'm just giving you a little advice on the things that I do. Thank you so much for stopping by. I just want to tell you that we are no longer Bella Casa by Vicki Sykes, but Bella Events and Interiors LLC. So again, we're excited. We're happy you stopped by and hoping you come back again. Bye until next time.